Air fighter jet crashes are not uncommon. It's different if you're carrying out an attack on an enemy. Here are the 6 most heartbreaking fighter jet accidents. Video of the warplane that crashed in Tobruk some time ago, and was being piloted by pilot Rafi Al-Farawi, during a memorial service parade for Colonel Pilot Ibrahim Abd Rabo Al-Manfi, whose plane crashed in the last few days. The video of the second jet fighter crash is unknown people opened fire on the Turkish demonstration plane, and the plane crashed. The third fighter jet accident was the crash of a Saudi Arabian fighter plane. The pilot's courage when he delayed getting out of the plane until landing, even though he already knew the jet he was flying would crash. The fourth fighter jet accident was a Typhoon plane that crashed during a parade. According to information, this accident was caused by a somersault movement, which in military aviation language is called a loop movement. The pilot lost consciousness and was not aware of his distance from the sea surface, because if there was damage to the plane, he would jump out before the plane. It fell into the sea. The fifth fighter aircraft crash was not serious, but in my opinion, it was very embarrassing. An American F-35 plane crashed due to a crow landing. Two pilots were killed when a Syrian military helicopter crashed on Tuesday, February 11, in Idlib Governorate, becoming the target of a missile fired by Turkish forces, according to what was reported by the Syrian Observatory for Human Rights. Thank you for watching until the last minute. Don't forget to subscribe for other interesting, strange, and surprising videos.
بإذن الله مقبركم تكونوا